Are you in a multi-level marketing business and struggle to build a downline? Would you like to learn how to build a downline using the internet? Can you take 15 to 30 minutes to write a one-page article? My name is Ed Fugit, and I'm a proud member of MLM Success Coaches. I own a very successful home-based business, and I would like to share with you some proven techniques and practices that I have used to build my business. I'd like to offer you free multi-level marketing training that can be used in any type business and a very easy way of building a downline on a 24/7 basis just by taking 15 to 30 minutes to write an article. Visit www.mlmsuccesscoaches.com to learn about our programs. Not only will you learn how to use our programs to help you build your downline, you will also have access to many other proven prospecting techniques that can be used in any type business. That's www.mlmsuccesscoaches.com.